So, hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update. This should be episode 19. I talked to you guys a few days ago on the video I make, on the weekly update I make. I didn't get to post it during the weekend because I'm on vacation trying to get some stuff that we need in the shop and do everything. I need to rest. I've been working lately, so I'm still on vacation. But I'm doing this because I went to Ilorin Kwara State where they used to make this Ashoke. I talk about Ashoke that I'll be using Ashoke these days to make some tutorial videos for you guys to see how things have been made. That is the reason why I'm making this video. So I'll be showing you. I filmed some process of them making it and the outcome of it. So I will be showing you this on this particular video and some of the things I'm up to. So please make sure to stay tuned and watch this to the end of the video and do enjoy. And by the way, if there is other things I'm doing again, I'll still try as much as possible to include that in this particular video. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Saying Twitter, ìwọ orí Twitter lónìí. Wọ́n lo VPN náà. Ṣé wò ó já sí? Tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé Twitter jọ òun ó sì. Hello guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed whatever you watched this week. So as I said in the past video, that I'm still on vacation. So what I show you is the fabrics I'll be using, the Asooke woven, where it is being made and how it is being made. So I decided to show you guys what I'll be using for the project, how it is being made, so that you have an idea of how it is. So that is the process of making. I hope you guys will enjoy this particular video. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. When you subscribe, turn the post notification bell on and give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy. By the way, if you don't enjoy as well, you can still give it a giant thumbs up and subscribe, because best of the best tutorial will be coming after this video. So just trust it. Best of it tutorial will be coming. I hope you guys will love and enjoying it. So, and that is it. Leave in the comment section anything you think or bag you want us to make. And by the way, people have sent me message, want me to do some bags. So once I'm back at the work back or at the studio, we'll start making those projects and working on the one they asked me to do. And there are some that I've done already, but they still ask me to do it. So I will like talk about it and show them that we've made it before. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. For those who are new and those who have been watching this video, those the one subscriber, thank you. Thanks to all of you, and I really appreciate you all. And for the new subscriber that are yet to subscribe, YouTube is letting me to know that more than 70% of the people that watch this video are not subscribed. So please do us a help, do subscribe to the channel. We love you all. I love you all. On behalf of myself and the Light Back Collection, we shall see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. And by the way, I won't say I'm chilling. Is this supposed to be in this video? Bye for now.